Okay, hey everybody, how y'all doing? How y'all doing? I just want to come on in and show y'all that these nails is fucked. Okay, so we got that out the way, but pause. I really need to know what's going on with y'all. Like, I asked y'all to comment on my last video and only got one comment. What's really going on? Is you busy, sis? Is you busy? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave that link so y'all can see that beautiful zebra look and go ahead, chat up with me. Cause I'm here to chat with y'all. But this is what you're gonna need for this tutorial. A little cup. I eat out a lot, so that's just a cup that probably had like guacamole or some shit in it. But you can use right there what I showed you, that hairpin cup. So that's the alternate if you don't have them laying around. You're also gonna need some coconut oil. I use coconut oil for everything. Okay. You're also going to need some alcohol. This is the 90 percentage alcohol, or you can use 70 if that's what you have available. I like to use the clear because I really like to get things disinfected, especially when it comes to my eyes. So you're going to need some mild hand soap. This is mild hand soap. It's very cheap or whatever. Or you can use Dow. If you have Dow, go ahead and use that because that's preferably the mildest dish soap I know. And some warm water. Okay. You're also going to need a mascara wand or spoolie or whatever the hell you want to call it. Make sure that it is clean. And your dirty pair of mink lashes. You guys, I chose the oldest, most dirtiest pair of mink lashes to let you know that this shit really, really works, okay? These are old as shit. I stopped wearing these like so long ago because I lost the top. And once I lose the top of things, they get dusty, they get dirty, and I don't want it no more. But I'm finna show y'all how we can disinfect it and get it right. So starting off with your cup of water, it's filled almost to the top. Don't fill it completely to the top. So let's say 3/4. You're going to go in with that alcohol and just do some drops. Don't put a lot of alcohol in it. Don't do the dash, sis. You don't need that much alcohol, especially when it's clear. That's why I like to use the clear, because if you use a 70, you might have to use a little more. So drop that in there. And we finna be like hocus pocus because we finna be mixing this shit up together, okay? Take that mild soap and do like 2 half squirts. Don't push it all the way down to the bottom. Don't need that much soap because you don't want it to be too sudsy. And then we're going to do the coconut oil. I'm just taking my makeup scalpel or spatula, whatever you want to call it, and taking a piece size and putting that in here. So the rest of these instruments that I'm showing you guys, like the scalpel and the tweezers, you don't need. Those are just optional. So if you want to use those, you can if you have them available. But if you don't have them available, you won't need them. But like I said, we're mixing this together, sis. You want to mix it together real good until it looks like really bubbly and you see the oil separated in the water. You see how pretty it is? Looks like an Instagram filter bubble or something. But yeah, make sure that it looks like that. Make sure you see the suds and make sure you see the, the oil and the water not mixing, because it kind of is mixed, but So I'm just taking the medical tweezers and I am, giving y'all one last look at these bum ass lashes. Like, do you not see all the dirt, the makeup, the powdered up glue, the extra hair? I don't even know where the hell that hair came from. I don't have hair that color. So like, yeah. Just throw them in the water. So what I do suggest is when you throw them in the water, throw them in there together quickly. I was moving kind of slow because, I'm just trying to make sure everything is in focus and everything is good. But throw them in there as quickly as you can together. And I say wait about like 2 minutes max, but preferably 1 minute, and give it a good stir so the alcohol can, disinfect, the oil can moisturize, and get rid of that makeup debris that's on there and do its job, sis. Okay? Because this is the easy part. The hard part is next. And while we wait our little 2 minutes for that to get to ready, hey, how y'all doing? This is what I'm looking like, okay? Follow me on all those social networks. They'll be linked down below as always. And subscribe. Okay, so this part is speeded up. So now we're going to just take our lashes out and put them on a cloth, a clean cloth, piece of tissue, doesn't matter. And what I'm doing here out of frame is I'm just peeling that glue off with my fingers. I prefer you to use your fingers because you can actually feel the rip and grip. When you use the tweezers, I feel like you're more likely to tear them. But since I have these long ass, stupid ass nails on, I have to use the tweezers because I'm not getting the grip that I want. Now, I'm going to get in frame. Look at that. That's what you want to do. You want to hold the main strip of the lashes before ripping off the glue, because when you hold the main strip, you prevent it from tearing. Now, since these are very, very old, they're going to shed. They're going to, because they're old as shit. They're going to shed. But long as you don't see like major shedding, like whole clunks coming out, you're fine. 1 or 2, 5, 6, 10 hairs is good. So we're going to take that spoolie and brush it out and press it against, you know, the placement for it, because you still want your lash to have its same feel and better look, if not the same look. But yeah, now I'm showing you how I just pull that off in frame. So you want to be careful. You want to be careful, sis. And hold it like you see me there. And just get rid of that glue because it's really soft and it's melting off. So it should come off really easy. If you feel like that is not coming off easy, soak it for 30 more seconds. And I'm just brushing it out on my finger because I just want all those hairs that are not secured into the lash band gone, and you know, getting rid of some of that makeup and powdered on glue. And I'm gonna just let y'all watch this, speed it up, okay? And make sure you flare out your lashes. You do not want them to dry bogus. Now, if you see that you still have like extra makeup on there, because these were like ran through, you can go ahead and take some of your makeup remover for like a brush or sort of like that. Like, long as it has an oil in it, you can just spray it on there and go through with the spoolie, you know, removing that makeup out. That's basically what I'm doing. And I use the tip of the spoolie because it gives it a certain pull. Now look at that. Way better. Do you hear me? Way better. So just in case you guys don't believe me, I'm going to take some newer lashes that I bought and do the same method and show you how they don't shed at all. Those were just shedding because they're old, like I said. These are fairly new, so I'm just going to throw them in the water really quickly, you know, do the swirl around. Just in case you didn't get it the first time, I'm going to show you again the second time so you can know better. But yeah. You guys, now this is not an excuse to just keep lashes for 30 years harboring in your dresser. No, it's for when you have that bomb ass lash that you can't find it nowhere, and it's been your 18th time wearing it because you done wore them out real fast. You ain't had them long, but you done wore them out, okay? And you just want to get that glue and residue off and still have a bad bitch lash. You guys, thumbs up this video. And let me know what you guys love. Who do you love? And here's a before and after video of our old ass minks, new ass minks. And that's the shedding. That's all the shedding I had from here. Let me know if y'all liked this video, you know? Just tell a bitch thank you. That was helpful. Oh, no. That was not helpful. Oh, yes. Bitch, you just saved my life. Because if you still paying $30 for lashes, God bless your little soul and heart. But I just help you out. So help me out with a thumbs up and a comment and a like and a subscribe. Woo woo. See y'all later. Talk to you girls later.